Traveling up north in the island of Catanduanes, one arrives at a most intriguing and enchanting coastal destination of Ilihan, aptly called Fertility Island. Once you catch sight of Buto ni Curacao, a direct translation of the title is no longer needed. A landmark column of rock and loose earth resembling the male sex organ juts out of the sea. Old folks say it belongs to the immortal Curacao, who fell in love with a mortal maiden named Calarab. With their elders opposing their union, Calarab jumped to her death in a nearby cliff, causing Curacao to swell up the seas and ravage the island. In the end, what was left was this phallic rock structure, a symbol of his vengeful fury. Today, a bangka fee will get visitors close to the site, where those wishing to bear a child may offer a prayer and a chicken egg or two. From the Fertility Island, it is best to move on to nearby Panay Island of Catanduanes to see the ruins of a former U.S. naval station. LORAN is short for Long Range Area Navigation, an abandoned Coast Guard facility whose structures remind the island's residents of its heydays half a century ago. The view from the top is breathtaking. Green and blue waters, said to be perfect for diving, surround vast coral formations. Today, part of the province's history can be gleaned from its structural remains. It is hoped that soon, LORAN will become Panay's top tourist destination. A rugged and mountainous terrain is always perfect for outdoor adventure tourists. In the municipality of San Andres, nature trekkers and mountaineers are easily drawn to Mount Cagmasoso. A paved road makes trekking up a breeze. That is, until one reaches a point near the summit, where only seasoned mountaineers can take the lead on foot. The spectacular view of the Maqueda Channel and parts of Bicol makes the trek all worthwhile. A short ride away from the foot of Mount Cagmasoso, also in the town of Lictin, is the historic Luyang Cave. One immediately senses a heavy mystic air that envelopes the cave's astounding stalactites and stalagmites. The story of Moro pirates chasing natives and choking them to death by burning chili leaves inside this cave creates a chilling 17th century picture. A grotto built within a chamber is now the site of requiem masses held to appease the souls of the natives. For many travelers to San Andres, a quick stop at the chapel of Paluay is a chance to see and pray before the miraculous stone image of Our Lady of Sorrows. It was said that this naturally living stone, the size of a thumbnail, was found along the riverbanks more than 100 years ago. Over the years, the stone and its imprinted image of our Blessed Mother has grown in size and can now be seen with the naked eye. Today, it is now framed and encased in glass near the altar of the chapel for devotees to see. Our Lady of Sorrows has likewise become the second patron saint of San Andres.